Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa Guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. This is the last day of the year, so I wish you all a happy new year. May God give you strength, protection, and all your heart's desires. I'm sure we all hope for the best, and let's hope that this year will go much better than the last one. So today, in this week's video, we're going to teach you about C Major Bar Chord. Okay, everybody, so C Major Bar Chord. Very easy stuff. So you will put your first finger on the 3rd fret, all of it, okay? You're going to put your finger close to the line right here. See that? Okay? And you press towards this side. And what you're going to do, and then you're going to put your 2nd finger on 5th fret, 4th string. Then you put your 4th finger on 5th fret, 3rd string, and then you put your pinky finger, right, let me see that in the camera, on 5th fret, 2nd string. And that's your C Major Bar Chord. Very easy stuff, okay? If you want to get a good grip over the bar chord, the bar of your 5th finger, always put your thumb right across the 1st finger. And that's it, my friends. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell icon, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, and Happy New Year.